How do you start working on a goal? The first step to set specific, achievable objectives. First, think about why you're setting the goal and what you want to change. What's the next job you'd like to obtain? How do you hope your relationship improves? Identifying the importance of the goal can focus attention and strengthen the motivation to accomplish it. Divide the overarching goal into a series of small, specific, measurable tasks. Small goals are easier to accomplish, and checking each one off the list may invigorate you to keep going, as will the hit of dopamine delivered after completing a task. Making items measurable also allows you to recognize and celebrate when each one is finished, and then move on to the next step. Goals should be calibrated at a precise level of difficulty. If the goal is too hard, you might be too intimidated to begin. If the goal is too easy, you might be too bored to finish. The optimal goal is slightly out of reach. It presents a challenge that's attainable. This concept is called the Goldilocks effect. People engage most with material at the precipice of complexity. Create a plan to accomplish each small goal. Balance a realistic understanding of the challenges ahead with confidence that you can overcome them. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to receive the new